Does Velcro on your clothing or accessories damage delicate fabrics? Hi, I'm Prabha, owner of Suktam Textile Retail Shop. For 6 years, we have offered Velcro free closures and designs that prevent fabric damage. Here is how to avoid Velcro snags. 1. Opt for zipper or snaps instead of Velcro. These closures are less likely to snag. Second, choose Velcro free designs for delicate fabrics. Velcro can easily catch on silk or lace. Third, use Velcro covers or protectors. These help prevent snagging when Velcro is necessary. Tag someone who had trouble with Velcro snag and visit us for a snag-free options. See you in my next video.